Punta lang tayo sa ating Google Chrome at isearch lang po natin dito ang YouTube dashboard. Ang unang lumabas, ito po yung i-click natin. Anyway, ilalagay ko na lang po sa description box or sa comment section ang link. Dito sa left side ay pindutin nyo lang po itong icon na ito. We will be directed here. Maraming options po dito ang inyong makikita at mababasa. Ang piliin lang po natin dito ay ang channel. Here you can see basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. Now, click advanced settings. Scroll up. Hanggang sa makita natin tong other settings, click manage YouTube account. Now, click add or manage your channels. Dito nyo makikita lahat ng created channels ninyo. Okay, as you can see, I already have 1, 2, 3 channels. Now, let's just click create a channel. Dito, ilagay nyo na ang inyong channel name. Automatic naman na magkakaroon na kayo ng sarili nyong handle. But if you have your own preference sa inyong handle, you can edit that anytime. As long as wala pa kayong kaparehas. Ilagay nyo lang dito ang name ninyo. For example, this one. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, automatic naman siya nagkakaroon ng handle. Like for example, Ultimate Guide by Miyeng. Or you can also like, pwede nyo lang lagyan ng Miyeng or yung name ninyo, it's up to you. Okay, like for example, Dea. And after that, kindly click or select Create Channel. Since I already created multiple YouTube channels, I will not click this one. Balik na lang tayo sa ating YouTube application. Because I will show you on how to edit your name just in case gusto nyo siyang palitan. Once we are here, pindutin nyo lang tong profile ninyo, itong My You, dito sa lower right side. Then, click your profile once more. Dito, you can edit everything here. Now, you can replace everything here. Like for example, you want to change your profile photo or banner, you can do that. Pindutin nyo lang tong camera icon dito sa profile and then dito sa banner. Okay, you can take a photo or you can choose from your library. Here, you can edit your name, handle, pronouns. You can also copy your channel URL, edit your description, edit your privacy. Okay, pindutin nyo lang guys itong mga pencil dito na nasa gilid. Yan, so that's all for this tutorial. Sana po ay meron kayong natutunan. And please don't forget to subscribe para mag-grow tayo from zero. Bye for now. See you sa ating next video.